Hi friends, today we're talking about how can you calculate mass, that is m, of any type of material. Only you know such type of material is having which type of grade, that is SS or MS, that means stainless steel or mild steel. So only you know their grade or their type of material, and you see this type of material as physical or in drawing, and you calculate all the type of material is you calculated mass. So here friends, here this is a drawing, and this drawing is material type is having yes stainless steel 304 is a grade, 304L, 304 306, this is a grade of stainless steel. So this is a drawing, and this drawing having this material thickness is 1 mm, and this material type is SS 304, stainless steel 304. So we want to find out this type of material, how much mass is contained in this material. We calculated practically. So first of all, you see this width is 100 mm, this is 43 mm, and this total value is 7 here to here 474 mm. And if you calculated 43 minus 43 all over this value, then you calculated here 388 mm, and width given is 185. So friends, here this is made a type of rectangular like this. You differentiate from here. So friends, here three rectangulars are made. This is the first and this is the second, and one and second are equal. This is also 100, this is also 100, this is also 43, and this is also 43. So these area are equal. And here this is also one type of a rectangular, width having 185 and length having 388. So first of all, you calculate this area, this rectangle area, and this rectangle area, and then this rectangle area. Friend, notice here this material also having their hole, and these hole having their diameter 18 mm. And number of hole is equals to 36. Here we no draw 36 hole, but we practically this material having 36 number of hole and diameter having 18 mm. Okay, now we calculated this one, area 1. So friend, this area is 100 multiply 43 mm, and if you converted in meter, then 1 meter multiply 0.043 meter, and after calculating you got, friends, after calculation this you got 0.43 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. And we know this area and this area is equal, so A2 equals to A1 equals to 0.43 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. So this is area we calculated, and now we calculated this rectangle area. So what is A3? This is the A3. After calculation this A3 0.388 meter multiply 0.185 meter, calculation you got here 0.0717 meter, that is the A3. Okay, now we also calculated this whole dia, and this whole dia number of 36, and whole dia having 18 mm diameter. So we calculated one whole dia here. Circle whole dia equals to, circle area equals to what? Pi r square, pi multiply, and this is 18 mm diameter, that means 0.009 meter square, because we converted whole dia having 18 mm, dia equals to 18 mm, and radius we half, then we got 9 mm. Okay, and after converting in meter we got here, and after calculation pi multiply 0.009 meter square, after calculation we got 0.254 multiply 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. This is a one whole area, but we having 30 number of 36 hole. So total hole 36 number, and total hole area equals to what? 36 multiply 0.254 multiply 10 to power minus 3 meter square. And after calculation we got what? So now friends, after calculation 36 number of hole and one hole area this, multiplication we got 0.009144 meter square. This is the total whole area. Okay, now friends, we find out this area and this area remaining out of whole. Only we find out this area, okay, without whole. So what value? A1 equals to A2, this value, and A3, this is A3 total value we calculated. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 equals to what? We add this value and this value 2 times, then we got 0.0803 meter square, and we find out actual area. So what mean actual area? Means that this area 0.0803 minus we subtract this whole area. Okay, now we find out whole area. What whole area is this? 0.009144, and after subtraction we find out, after subtraction we got this value. Okay, this is the actual area. That means in this total plate we subtract this 36 number of whole area. So actual area we find out this. Now friend, we find out actual volume. That means this actual area is multiplied by thickness. This material having thickness there 1 mm. After calculation converting in meter, we here converting in meter and got what value? After multiplication of thickness, material thickness in area, this actual area, we find out this value. So friend, you know SS304, this is a stainless steel grade having 304. Their density equals to what? Density having their density equals to this type of stainless steel grade having 304 having their density 7930 kg per meter cube. 7930 kg per meter cube. So you know rho equals to what? Mass divided by volume, but we find out, interested in find out mass. So mass equals to what? Rho multiply volume. So rho equals to what? 7930 kilojoule per meter cube multiply this volume 0.7930 multiply this value, we multiply this volume, this is the actual volume, we multiply this value in this density, then we find out what? 0.71156 multiply 10 to the power 4 meter cube. Meter cube values cancel out, and after multiplication of these value we got what value? After multiplication of these value, density and total actual volume multiplication, we got 0.564 kg. And you see in this drawing, these have value also having 0.57, like this type of mass. So theoretically we find out this practical drawing value what having their mass. So thank you, I hope you enjoyed.